Number 5. DJI Avata. Looking for the ultimate flying experience? DJI Avata is here to take your adventures to new heights. With FAA remote ID compliance and ultra-smooth 4K footage, Avata offers top-notch performance in a palm-sized package. Enjoy total immersion and intuitive control with DJI Avata. Experience next-level imagery with the upgraded camera system and flagship stabilization. The lightweight design allows for agile maneuvers, perfect for flying in tight spaces or on daring adventures. One of the standout features of Avata is the impressive 18-minute flight time combined with upgraded safety features. The built-in propeller guard ensures that minor contact won't stop your flight, keeping you in the air and on your way. With DJI O3 Plus video transmission, you can enjoy a sharp HD live feed at distances of up to 10 kilometers. And with compatibility with various controllers and goggles, you can find the perfect setup to suit your needs. The only downside to Avata is that it doesn't include a remote controller or goggles, which need to be purchased separately. However, the flexibility to choose your own accessories means you can customize your flying experience to your liking. Overall, DJI Avata is a powerful and versatile drone that offers an immersive flying experience for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Check it out for yourself and experience the thrill of flying like never before.